What's up, YouTube? Today I've got a package from AZ Pro Performance. You know that only good things come from AZ Pro Performance. So we're going to open this up and see what's in here. All right. Okay. Let's get the big box first. You see that? Dakota Digital. So I ordered the Dakota Digital RTX. Let's see, let's set this box here to the side. That's better. Packing peanuts. Okay. Set this aside. There they are. So these are the ones that are supposed to look mostly stock, and they still have Bluetooth capabilities, and you can change the backlighting and all. They look awesome. Back, looks like we got a couple of plug-ins, 3. Not real sure what these 2 are here. Okay. Let's see if that's it that's in the box. Okay. So we got a user manual here. Dakota Digital RTX. Let's see what's in here. Okay. That's a packing list. That looks like clock information there. That's setup instructions. I think that tells about the app. The setup guide and installation and operation manual. Dakota Digital stickers. Like a business card. I'm not sure what all this stuff is. Here's a switch of some sort with a 1 and a 2 on it and an off. That looks like some type of buzzer or chime, little speaker. Just more cables. Okay, so that's that. I've got one more small box. Let's see where I set that. Okay, so this is the OBD2 interface for the Dakota Digital gauges. So one of the reasons I decided to purchase the Dakota Digital, this should be a simple installation. Plug that into the OBD port. That should go into the control box. Not sure about that one. I don't know. So, it's like instructions. Man, don't that look good? That didn't come with a bezel. You're gonna order a bezel. I've got a brand new bezel from Brothers, I believe. It's gonna look good. So my bezel came from Brothers. And look at that. It's so nice. So my truck isn't quite at the point I can install these yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install these temporarily and see what we can do with them. All right, guys, I thought you might want to see what I'm upgrading from. So these are the Dakota Digital, and that's what I had in my truck before. And it wasn't even a Cheyenne, so I think the wood grain is not correct. But anyway, look at that. Just amazing improvement. All right, guys, so I'm temporarily setting this Dakota Digital gauge cluster up. This is my 2000 GMC Sierra. We're gonna make this work in here all because of this guy right here. That's the BIM module. And that allows me to connect to an OBD port. This truck has a LS engine in it, so it should read and display information on that. Now you can kind of see I've got just everything just roughly wired in so I can just play with this cluster. So immediately you'll notice how clear the displays are and just excellent. All right, guys, so I've entered the setup mode on in the gauges, and I'm using the app here, and you can change, whatever you want. All right, so here I'm gonna go to maybe the TAC. All right, and then we're gonna turn it input type. We're using the BIM module, so we'll just, okay, look over here. We've got TAC. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we can also update rate. Let's we can change the shift light. Okay. I'll change it to 6,000. Just jumped way over there to 6. Okay. All right, we need to get some more gauges working here. Let's go gauges. Let's turn the water temperature on. Oh, you see it come right up. We're going to use Fahrenheit, high warning, oil, input. It's not a center, it's the BIM also. Let's see. Well, I'll have to mess with that a little bit. That's not working. Maybe this particular model. Yeah, we'll check that out. All right, volt volts. Let's see here. That one's working. Okay, we got volts, we got temperature, fuel. Obviously that's not going to work. And then we've got the oil pressure, which this 2000, I need to double check and make sure that that is an input to the PCM. We've got tach, got us a clock, and here we've got speedometer. We're not going anywhere, so that one's not going to work. So this is demo mode on the gauges. Kind of cycles through all the colors, all the light, sweeps all the gauges. So that was a real quick overview of the Dakota Digital RTX series gauges. Thanks for watching. Trucknerd is now on Instagram and Facebook, so follow those pages. Hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. See you next time.